Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we have another amazing show for you today. XRP set up perfect for massive breakouts. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, something that I can share with you from that last bull run is that the majority of people were unprepared for it. Absolutely did not see what was coming down the road. And in fact, it happened when you would have least expected it and blew most people's expectations absolutely away. And right now, I'll tell you what, when you hear and all of the rumblings in these ecosystems, boy, oh boy, does it ever sound like it did back then. And I'll tell you, that has made me even more bullish than you can even fathom because, guys, I was there and it happened. Now, I want you to just check this article out right over here. Look at this. XRP price goes from $3 to $200. Analysts call 7-year bullish pennant setup too perfect for massive breakout. It's just beyond belief. Now listen to this right down here. Ripple's XRP experienced little price movement on Thursday, stabilizing around 53 cents mark, indicating a consolidation phase. The cryptocurrency has been confined within a tightening range for several months, and it was like that in the last run as well, as seen in the weekly charts converging trend lines. This technical formation highlights a period of reduced volatility, with XRP oscillating between key support at 52 and resistance just under 55 cents. Despite the sideways price action, XRP is held above the critical 50-cent level, which has served as support, guys, since mid-2023. The current price of 53.38 cents represents a modest 1.34% gain in the past 24 hours, underscoring the market's indecision. And guys, it was like this in 2017, same thing. In 2020 to 2021, same thing. And then all of a sudden, one day, bang, did it ever fire off. Now listen to this right here. On Wednesday, renowned crypto analyst Armando Pineda drew attention to XRP's technical setup string that I'm saying that I've never seen a 7-year bullish pennant like this in all my years of trading. He suggests that the cryptocurrency is on the verge of a major breakout. With years of pressure building up, Pineda, who was previously set targets to $20, further emphasized that such a setup is rare and may signal one of the year's most substantial moves for XRP. Charts rarely lie, and this setup is too perfect, he added. Now, guys, you can see right over here. See this section right down here? That was in 2017, and it was just tinkering along, and then all of a sudden, how did it ever move right there at the end of 2017 and 2018? And sure, it came back down and consolidated again, just like this. And guys, what happened in 2020 to 2021? Again, fired up. Now, we know that right in and around here is when the SEC dropped its lawsuit. But guys, what I want you to look at is right over here, where we are right at the very tip of this wedge formation. And guys, if you were to draw it down in here, that's what it looked like. It looked like a move like this into this, and you can see it right here, that into that, and look at how the move dwarfed what was going on. And guys, if we see a move like we did in 2017, I kid you not, most people will not even be able to digest it. It will be that big. Now, the bullish sentiment is echoed by another analyst, Random Crypto Pal, who noted that XRP was showing signs of a breakout. XRP is getting squeezed in this triangle and will make a move in 1 to 3 days, the analyst tweeted. He compared XRP's current pattern to one seen, there you are guys, in 2017 before its massive rally to $3. Do not get fooled, he urged, adding that XRP had reclaimed losses and surged through resistance, potentially signaling the beginning of a significant rally. Another analyst like Javin Marks have also weighed in, suggesting XRP is primed for a major breakout. According to Marks, the chart indicates a potential surge that could drive the price beyond $3.31, marking a more than 500% increase from where we are. And guys, recently the pundits speculated that cryptocurrency could that the cryptocurrency XRP could surge as much as $200 in the long term. Nobody's saying it's going to happen like that overnight, but guys, over time, and when we see the development in these ecosystems, the potential down the road is truly beyond what most people have even imagined. I genuinely believe that. Meanwhile, the excitement around XRP's technical setup comes amid Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Now, guys, I don't even think this is going to have too much of anything to do with this run, primarily because XRP in and of itself as a non-security is not even being challenged. This is a boxing match between Ripple and the SEC regarding the fine that Ripple is going to be due to pay. But is it going to affect XRP on the broad market? Guys, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. This is not like when they dropped the lawsuit and there was all kinds of uncertainty, no clarity about XRP. No, guys, we have clarity about XRP being not a security and being traded on exchanges all over the wide world. No one's dumping it. No one's delisting it. Grayscale's not getting rid of their trust. Guys, I'm telling you, I genuinely believe that we are going to see something that most people have only dreamed about. And a majority of people, by the way, will probably miss it. Why, guys? Because they don't have the vision for it. They'll probably capitulate or sell way earlier than what they've even imagined right now. Now, on October 10th, Ripple filed a cross appeal of Judge Analyst's judgment entered on August 7, 2024. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, stated that they're looking forward to sealing the SEC's fate and finally putting an end to the SEC's regulation by enforcement agenda. Absolutely agree. While some believe the lawsuit won't hinder XRP's rise in a bull market, which is what I believe, a favorable court ruling for Ripple could signify strengthening XRP's bullish outlook and accelerate its price momentum. Well, guys, just check this article out right over here. RLUSD launched to trigger XRP surge to $10. Listen to this right here. In a recent video commentary, crypto influencer Levi discussed the upcoming RLUSD stablecoin from Ripple and its potential impact on XRP. Now, Levi suggested that the combination of new developments in regulatory clarity and the launch of RLUSD could propel XRP to higher prices, potentially leading to a price of $10 per XRP. Levi expressed his amazement at the developments surrounding XRP in recent times, noting a range of significant events. He highlighted the SEC's recent opposition to its own chair, Gary Gensler, and the minting of RLUSD as an important for Ripple and XRP. Guys, we're talking about liquidity. Now, you just take a look at Tether and the liquidity that it has provided Bitcoin, USDC, the liquidity it's provided Ethereum. RLUSD is a mechanism for liquidity for XRP and on the XRP ledger in a big, big way. Now, Levi acknowledged that some viewers might find it confusing to see a connection between a stablecoin like RLUSD and XRP. However, he stressed that the relationship between the two assets would become clear. The market commentator noted that RLUSD stablecoin represents one of the most important moves for Ripple and XRP in recent times. According to him, its launch would be beneficial for the XRPL ecosystem, positioning XRP to reach new price levels. Levi also discussed an important moment in the latest SEC congressional hearing, where Representative Patrick Henry questioned SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce about the regulatory ambiguity surrounding crypto. Pierce admitted that the SEC's approach to cryptocurrency lacked precision and clarity. Guys, that is exactly what we have been saying for a long time. An acknowledgement that resonated strongly with Levi's audience. Levi suggested that Gensler's career might be jeopardized by his regulatory mess. GOP presidential candidate Donald Trump has already promised to fire Gensler, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes Gensler could leave even if Kamala Harris wins. According to Levi, Ripple has already taken advantage of the new developments and regulatory clarity by moving forward with RLUSD. Amid the beta testing phase, Ripple has minted millions of RLUSD with its data added to CoinGecko. According to Levi, one of the most exciting aspects of RLUSD is its potential to tap into the growing stablecoin market, which currently holds hundreds of billions of dollars. Stablecoins such as USDT and USDC have proven essential for liquidity in the crypto market, and Levi believes that RLUSD could capture a portion of that market, and this would bring additional trading volume to the XRP ledger, making it more attractive for DeFi applications. Levi stressed that the introduction of RLUSD as a Ripple-backed stablecoin would boost XRP's visibility and also attract institutional players. In the past, Ripple's institutional partners relied on other stablecoins like USDT and USDC for transactions due to legal restrictions on XRP. Now with RLUSD, institutions can use a stablecoin built on Ripple's own infrastructure, channeling more volume and liquidity. That is the deal right there, guys. It is the liquidity rails that this provides that is going to really have a massive impact on how this ecosystem works. And they're doing it through the XRP ledger. Levi believes that this shift could result in billions of dollars of daily trading volume over the next year, directly benefiting XRP. And he went on to predict that the potential surge in activity on the XRP ledger, possibly driven by RLUSD, could lead XRP to reach $10 a token. Guys, major developments are happening in this space, but most people, you know what they're focused on? The little movements, the little day-to-day price movements. And guys, they're so focused on that they literally are missing the forest for the trees right there. Now, check this out over here. Ripple CEO breaks silence on the cross appeal move. Now, Brad Garlinghouse chimed in and recently spoke about the company's decision to file the cross-border appeal against the SEC. It should be recalled that earlier in October, the SEC appealed the decision ordering Ripple to pay the $125 million civil penalty on its XRP sales, which of course was a big fraction of the $2 billion sought by the SEC. Now, in a counter move, Ripple announced yesterday it had filed its cross-appeal. Well, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse spoke out about it, and he basically reiterated what he had said earlier in October. The Ripple CEO stated that the SEC and its chair Gary Gensler truly cared about the rule of law, as they claimed they would accept their loss and move on, but they are not, guys, interested in faithfully applying the law or in providing clarity to industry players in the U.S. That is exactly what's going on. And guys, I believe the SEC is probably due for a major smackdown. And I think they've really bitten off way more than they can chew. And I do not think for 1 second that the result is going to be any different. If anything, the fine could even be diminished and brought lower. And I'll tell you what, this is a major deal for us. Guys, when you see all the development happening on this ecosystem, watching RLUSD getting ready to launch, and you are seeing these major technical analysts coming out and pointing out that we could literally be seeing a move like we did back here in 2017 right over here. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm paying attention. And like I like to say, we all can't be whales, but I'm stacking my pennies next to their dollars. Judy and I have got our ticket, and we are ready to take that ride blast all through the moon and right through Jupiter. So guys, in that last bull run, things were just tinkering along, and then one day, bang, it absolutely fired off when folks least expected it. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced toward your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.